Look at AMD, coach.
Yeah, AMD also looking good. AMD's up here on this double top. I'd be cautious right here. Let's see it. Yeah, you're on a huge double top, 158.60 on AMD. You see it here?
I was waiting for it to break and see if it's going to break or it's going to go down. I'm
Yep,
not even
yep.
in it.
Straddle. When in doubt, straddle it out, everybody, right? It's looking clean though, partner. I like it.
Soxel code.
Soxel also to the upside. Thank you. Yeah, AMD, if this stays above this level, let me flip the screen.
It's been steady stair-stepping up the last couple of days, coach.
Yeah, I like it. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I think I just, yep, I got it. 10. I thought I had 100 contracts. Okay. Well, that would have been $900, $1,000 right there. Come on, man.
Coach, how many stars is AMD in your opinion?
I'm sorry? That's a 6-star trade now.
Thank you.
Yep. So what I'm going to do on this one, I'm just going to set a stop, set it, forget it, bye. Just go make me money. Bye. It's beautiful. AMD continuing to rip. By the way, Bruno, I thought I had 100 contracts. I'd be up 3,700, 4,000 now. I only had 10 contracts.
Yeah, it's
That's a bummer.